Hello, welcome to another Julian story presentation. Here I'm gonna open this Air Canada Boeing 777. So this is part 2. So let's open it up. But before we open it up, let's take a look at the pictures. There's a picture of A380 take it off. And, oh, this is the wrong one to open. Here, open it. And I hope this will be okay. So, this is my new Boeing 777. Wow, look at this, guys. Looks very cool. So we'll put this aside. We'll close the box. There. And then we're gonna take a look at some of the details. So in front we have the cockpit windows. Then up at the very front we have the nose cone. We got the Star Alliance livery, the first door with the windows out there, Air Canada titles. There's the maple leaf on the tail. Under it says Boeing 777. And then I'll put this back in the box here. Then open here. It's back in the box. German's back in the box. There we go. So thanks for watching my YouTube channels.